हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। हमने आरबी फार्मासिस्ट के मॉडल पेपर स्टार्ट कर रखे हैं। पार्ट 1 जो आपको ऑलरेडी हमारे चैनल पे मिल जाएगा, ये पार्ट सेकंड है। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी पर्पस ऑफ ए हिपा फिल्टर इन ए क्लीन रूम? क्लीन रूम में हिपा फिल्टर का मुख्य उद्देश्य क्या होता है? ऑप्शन है रिमूव लार्ज पार्टिकल्स, कंट्रोल ह्यूमिडिटी, रिमूव माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड फाइन पार्टिकल्स एंड रेगुलेट टेम्परेचर। HEPA मीन्स हाई एफिशिएंसी पर्टिकुलेट एयर। सो सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन सी, रिमूव माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड फाइन पार्टिकल्स। HEPA फिल्टर है वो 0.3 माइक्रोन्स या उससे बड़े जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उनको रिमूव कर देता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ IR स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी इज बेस्ड ऑन ऑप्शन ए absorption of ultraviolet light, option B molecular vibrations, option C electron excitations, and option D nucleus spin behavior. Correct answer is option B molecular vibration. And absorptions of ultraviolet light used in UV spectroscopy and nuclear spin behavior NMR spectroscopy. Next question, the functions of a condenser in distillation is, डिस्टिलेशन में कंडेंसर का कार्य क्या है? ऑप्शंस है हीट द लिक्विड, कलेक्ट द रेसिड्यू एंड कन्वर्ट वेपर बैक टू लिक्विड एंड सेपरेट सॉलिड। सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन सी, कन्वर्ट वेपर बैक टू लिक्विड। In distillation, the condenser cools the vapor and convert it back into the liquid form. Next question. Question number 5th. The Drug and Cosmetic Act in India was passed in option 1930, 1940, 1955, 1960. Correct answer is option B. The Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 regulate import, manufacturing and sales of the drug in India. Next question. What is the major advantages of using a laminar airflow hood? लैमिनार एयरफ्लो हुड का मुख्य लाभ क्या है? ऑप्शन है प्रिवेंट डस्ट, प्रोवाइड स्टर्ली इन्वायरमेंट, ऑप्शन सी इंक्रीज ह्यूमिडिटी एंड रिड्यूस लाइट एक्सपोजर। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, प्रोवाइड स्टर्लिटी इन्वायरमेंट। लैमिनार एयरफ्लो uses HEPA filter to create sterility environment by preventing contaminations. Next question. Question number 7. The pH of a buffer solution is maintained by, बफर घोल का pH किसके द्वारा नियंत्रित किया जाता है? ऑप्शन है स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, वीक एसिडेटेड सॉल्ट, स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस एंड डिस्टिल्ड वाटर। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, वीक एसिडेटेड सॉल्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following equipment is used for tablet coating? Option A FBD, option B coating pen, option C tray dryer and option D harmonizer. Correct answer is option B, coating pen. Coating pen rotate tablets while spraying coating solution for uniform coating. Next question, which technique is used to determine particle size? Option A UV spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy, sieving method and potentiometry. Correct answer is option C, sieving method. Next question, who governs the pharmacy educations in India? Option A PCI, option B MCI, option C AICT and option D UGC. Correct answer is option A, Pharmacy Council of India. Pharmacy Council of India sets standard for pharmacy education and practice under the Pharmacy Act 1948. Next question, the process of removal of pyrogens from solution is known as, option A filtrations, option B dehydrogenations, option C distillations and option D sedimentations. Correct answer is option B, dehydrogenations. Dehydrogenation is the process of removing pyrogens from pharmaceutical preparations, especially injectable, and filtrations remove particles not effective for pyrogens. Next question, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, इन क्रोमेटोग्राफी द स्टेशनरी फेज कैन बी। क्रोमेटोग्राफी में स्थिर अवस्था क्या हो सकती है? ऑप्शन है गैस ओनली, सॉलिड और लिक्विड, लिक्विड, ओनली सॉलिड। सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन बी, सॉलिड और लिक्विड। इन क्रोमेटोग्राफी द स्टेशनरी फेज कैन आइदर बी सॉलिड और लिक्विड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the study of drug interaction with the living system is known as option A pharmacology, option B pharmaceutical analysis, option C clinical pharmacy, option D toxicology. Correct answer is option A pharmacology. Pharmacology is the branch of the science that studies the interaction of the drug with the living organisms, and pharmaceutical analysis deals with the drug quality and compositing testing, and clinical pharmacy focus on patient care using medicine, and toxicology study harmful effect of chemicals. Next question. The apparatus used to measure the flow rate of liquid is options A viscometer, manometer, rotameter and barometer. Correct answer is option C rotameter. And viscometer measure viscosity, manometer measure pressure and barometer measure atmospheric pressure. Next question. An adverse drug reaction ADR should be reported to option A pharmacovigilance center, option B patient, option C supplier and option D manufacturer only. Should be reported to pharmacovigilance center to monitor and ensure drug safety. Next question. Question number 16. The primary goal of good manufacturing practice GMP is good manufacturing practice का मुख्य उद्देश्य क्या है? Options A cost reductions, product safety and quality, fast productions and minimizing labor. Correct answer is option B product safety and quality. Next question. The apparatus used to test tablet hardness is option A dissolution tester, option B fibrillator, option C hardness tester and option D pH meter. Correct answer is option C. Next question. Question number 18. The Drug and Magic Remedies Act was passed in option A 1945, option B 1954, option C 1961 and option D 1970. सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन बी 1954। और ड्रग एंड कॉस्मेटिक रूल्स आए थे 1945 में और 1970 में आए थे पेटेंट एक्ट जो आपको 1970 में आया था। ठीक है, जो ये एक्ट एंड रूल्स है ये इंपॉर्टेंट है। आपका एक आया था पॉइजन एक्ट 1919 में, पॉइजन एक्ट आया था। ठीक है, ड्रग एंड कॉस्मेटिक एक्ट आया था 1940 में, रूल्स आए थे 1945 में। ठीक है, और एक होता है फार्मेसी एक्ट, फैक्ट्री एक्ट आपका ये 1948 में। ठीक है, और ड्रग एंड मैजिक रेमेडी जो है आपका 1954 में हुआ था। ठीक है, और उसके अलावा आपका जैसे कि पेटेंट एक्ट है 1970 में। ठीक है, और एक आपका नारकोटिक एंड ड्रग एक्ट है। ठीक है, वो आपका 1985 में आया था। ठीक है, ये जो एक्ट की वीडियो आपको हमारे चैनल पे मिल जाएगी, वहां पे जाके भी इसको देख सकते हो। ठीक है, एक्ट जो है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, the term aseptic refer to option A presence of germs, option B free from contaminations, option C uses of preservatives and option D high temperature process. aseptic शब्द का अर्थ क्या है? सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन बी फ्री फ्रॉम contaminations. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. The main objective hospital formulary is option A promote branded drug, promote rational use of medicines, increase profit and reduce doctor responsibility. Correct answer is option B. Next question. The main purpose of validation in pharmaceutical industry is option A increase production speed, option B ensure consistent product quality, option C reduce manpower and option D reduce material uses. Correct answer is option B ensure consistent product quality. Next question. Question number 22. The instrument used for determining melting point is option A polarimeter, option B melting point apparatus, option C potentiometer, option D conductometer. Correct answer is option B melting point apparatus. And polarimeter measures optical rotations and potentiometer measure voltage and conductometer measure electrical conductivity. Next question. Question number 23. Which of the following law governs the regulation of narcotic drug in India? Options A. Drug and Cosmetic Act. Option B. NDPC Act. Option C. Pharmacy Act. Option D. Factory Act. Correct answer is option B. NDPC Act. NDPC Act means Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. And Pharmacy Act and Factory Act passed in 1948. And Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. And rules 1945. Next question. Which of the following is not a part of pre-formulation studies? Option A. Solubility study. Option B. Resolution test. Option C. Partition coefficient. And option D. Stability study. Correct answer is option B. Dissolution test. Dissolution testing is done after the formulation of checked drug release, not during pre-formulations. Next question. In a hospital, unit dose system is designed to option A. Increase dosage size. Option B. Minimize medications error. Option C. Reduce doctor workload. And option D. Increase patient cost. अस्पताल में यूनिट डोज प्रणाली का मुख्य उद्देश्य क्या है? सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन बी. मिनिमाइज मेडिकेशंस एरर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who is responsible for ensuring drug safety after the drug is marketed? Option A. Manufacturer. Option B. Doctor. Option C. Pharmacovigilance system. And option D. Distributor. Correct answer is option C. Pharmacovigilance system. Next question. Question number 27. The first pass effect mainly affect the option A. Bioavailability of drug. Option B. Drug solubility. Option C. Drug taste. And option D. Drug color. Correct answer is option A. Bioavailability of a drug. Next question. In pharmaceutical engineering, Reynolds number is used to determine option A. Molecular weight. Option B. Flow type. Option C. Solubility. And option D. Boiling point. Correct answer is option B. The main objective of Pharmacy Act 1948 is option A. Control the price of medicine, regulate pharmacy education practice, manufacture of drug, and option D. Promote pharmaceutical industries. Correct answer is option B. Regulate pharmacy education and practice. Next question. Clinical trial are initials for option A. Drug design only. Option B. Testing drug safety and efficacy. Option B. Marketing purpose. And option D. पैकेजिंग पर्पस. इसका आंसर जो आप हमें कमेंट में बताएं. क्लिनिकल ट्रायल किसके लिए आवश्यक है? ठीक है, इसका आंसर आप हमें कमेंट में बताएं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. द मेजर ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ ए ड्रग स्टेबिलिटी स्टडी इज टू डिटरमाइन ऑप्शन ए. ड्रग प्राइस. ऑप्शन बी. सेल्फ लाइफ. ऑप्शन सी. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस. एंड ऑप्शन डी. पैकेजिंग कॉस्ट. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. सेल्फ लाइफ. Next question. The instrument used to determine optical rotation is option A. Polarimeter. Option B. Spectrophotometer. Option C. pH meter. And option D. Conductometer. Correct answer is option A. Polarimeter. Polarimeter used to measure the optical rotation of a substance. And spectrophotometer used for measuring the intensity of light at different wavelength. And conductometer measure the electrical conductivity of a solution. Next question. And pH meter is used to measure the acidity and basicity of a solution. Question number 33. The drug distribution system designed to reduce wastage is option A. Floor stock system. Option B. Unit dose system. Option C. Bulk dispensing system. And option D. Direct purchases system. Correct answer is option B. Unit dosage system. Next question. Question number 34. A drug that produces harmful effect even at therapeutic doses is known as option A. Teratogenic. Option B. Antipyretic. Placebo. And antiseptic. Correct answer is option B. When a pharmacist report on adverse drug reactions ADR, it is called option A pharmacovigilance, pharmacokinetic, pharmaceutics, and bioavailability study. Correct answer is option A pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is the process of monitoring the safety of drugs, especially after they are marketed. It involves detecting and reporting adverse drug reaction. Next question. Which of the following is a primary step in drug manufacture? Option A packaging, option B sifting, option C labeling, and option D dispatch. Correct answer is option B sifting. Next question. Question number 37. Which of the following instrument is used for measuring the pH of a solution? Option A conductivity meter, option B pH meter, option C polarimeter, option D spectrometer. Correct answer is option A pH meter. pH meter is an instrument used to measure the acidity and alkaline pH level of solution. It works by measuring the voltage between two electrodes placed in the solution. And conductivity meter measure the electrical conductivity of the solution. And polarimeter used for measuring the optical rotations. Next question. Question number 38. In clinical pharmacy, drug interaction refers to option A only adverse reactions, option B one drug affecting the action of another, option C physical mixing of drug, and option D improving drug taste. Correct answer is option B one drug affecting the action of another. Next question. The Schedule H drug under the Drug and Cosmetic Act are option A OTC drug, option B prescriptions only drug, and option C Ayurvedic drug, and option D veterinary drug. Correct answer is option B prescription drugs. Next question. The legal document that gives exclusive rights to manufacture a drug is A. Option A license, option B patent, option C certificate, and option D voucher. Correct answer is option B patent. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. और पेटेंट एक्ट जो है ये कब पास हुआ था? 1970 में. Question number 41. The document prepared to record every steps in drug manufacturing is called. दवा निर्माण की हर प्रक्रिया को दर्ज करने वाला दस्तावेज क्या कहलाता है? ऑप्शन ए बैच मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रिकॉर्ड, ऑप्शन बी इनवॉइस, ऑप्शन सी पेशेंट रिकॉर्ड, एंड ऑप्शन डी ऑडिट रिपोर्ट. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी BMR बैच मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रिकॉर्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The filter used to remove bacteria from solution is option A membrane filter, option B sand filter, option C paper filter, and option D cloth filter. Correct answer is option A membrane filter. Next question. In a hospital, the emergency drug tray is used for option A routine medications, option B critical and life-saving situations, option C non-prescription drugs, and option D herbal medicine. Correct answer is option B clinical and life-saving situations. Next question. The standard operating procedures SOP ensure option A random performance, option B uniform and correct process executions, and option C increase raw material cost, and option D decrease in drug quality. Correct answer is option B uniform and correct process executions. Next question. Which parameter is used to test the clarity of pharmaceutical solution? Option A turbidity, option B viscosity, option C specific gravity, and option D pH value. Correct answer is option A turbidity. Next question. Question number 46. The primary objective of hospital pharmacy is option A profit maximizations, ensure rational drug uses, increased storage space, and reduce pharmacists' working hours. Correct answer is option B ensure rational drug uses. Next question. Under the Pharmacy Act 1948, a registered pharmacist is authorized to option A perform surgeries, option B, dispense medicine, option C, write prescription, and option D, manufacture medical device. Correct answer is option B, dispense medicine. Under the Pharmacy Act 1948, a registered pharmacist is authorized to dispense medicine, ensuring their correct uses and doses. Next question. Which glassware is used to accurate measurement of liquid volume? द्रव आयतन के सटीक मापन के लिए ग्लासवेयर का उपयोग किया जाता है. ऑप्शन ए बीकर, ऑप्शन बी मेजरिंग सिलेंडर, ऑप्शन सी वॉच ग्लास, एंड ऑप्शन डी पैट्रेडिस. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, measuring cylinder. Measuring cylinder is a piece of glassware used to accurately measure the volume of a liquid. Next question. Question number 49. In analytical chemistry, limit test is performed to option A, identify drug, option B, detect impurities, option C, determine pH, and option D, measure solubility. Correct answer is option B, detect impurities. A limit test is a qualitative and quantitative test used in analytical chemistry to detect the presence of impurities in a substance. Next question. The law that regulates the import, manufacturing, and sales of drug in India is option A, Factory Act, option B, Pharmacy Act, option C, Drug and Cosmetic Act, and option D, Indian Penal Code. Correct answer is option C, Drug and Cosmetic Act. ड्रग और कॉस्मेटिक एक्ट कब हुआ था? 1940 में. रूल्स 1945 में. ठीक है. फैक्ट्री एक्ट और फार्मेसी एक्ट हुआ था 1948 में. 1948 में. ठीक है. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कर दें.